This Crazy Talk Animator tutorial shows how to combine or merge props into a single animated prop. Here's what the finished prop will look like. It's a photo with a door that will open and close. The first thing to do is bring individual props into the first frame of the stage. In this case, I've created two PNG images. One is a rectangle cropped out of a photo, my door. The second is the remaining photo with the rectangle cut out. Make sure to unselect props as you add to the stage, otherwise they'll be replaced. Note that I've set the animation length for 60 frames and the render frame size to 1080p. I planned the action for 30 seconds each, and I like the 1080p frame size. Next, position the props so they line up. Make sure they're on the same Z-plane and tweak with the position settings if necessary. My crop door didn't fit correctly for some reason, so I had to tweak the position along with the width and height. Now make sure all the props fit within the stage outline. That's all that will be rendered, and then render to a PSD file. After rendering, delete the props and then bring the PSD back onto the Crazy Talk Animator stage by creating a new media prop. Add whatever motion you want at this point. I use the prop key editor to deform the door image so it looks like it's opening and closing. Make sure the correct item is selected when adding motion. After adding the motion, use Collect Clip to select the motion. Right-click on the highlighted area, click Create Actions, and then name the action. In this sample, I'm creating actions for door close, door open, door opening, and door closing. Next, delete all the keyframes, change the project setting to one frame, and add the prop to the Content Manager. The animated prop is now ready to be used and can be repurposed by using the composer to replace parts. Here's a quick sample of what it's like to replace the parts.